Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Netflix profile on an iPhone. First, open the Netflix app on your phone. If you are not already there, go to the profile section screen. If Netflix open directly to a profile, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three dot. After that, tap on the manage profile. You will see all the profiles on the account. Next, tap the profile you want to delete. Make sure this is the correct one because delete profile cannot be recovered. Now tap on delete profile. Netflix will ask you to confirm. Then tap delete again to finish. The profile is now permanently removed from the account. You cannot delete the main profile that was created when the account was first set up. Deleting a profile will remove reviewing history, recommendations, continue watching list. This change happens all right away on all devices. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.